Now, the World Health Organization is set to announce in a couple of hours whether the Ebola outbreak in West Africa constitutes a public health emergency of international concern. Our Shin Se-min has the details.
After 2 days of emergency talks on the Ebola outbreak in West Africa, the World Health Organization will announce Friday whether it concerns the matter a public health emergency worthy of international concern. If it deems that it is, the UN Health Agency will urge appropriate measures to curb the spread of the virus, which has thus far been largely contained to 3 West African countries. But concerns are spreading. The U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention issued its highest alert level this week in response to the outbreak. Amid growing international pressure to consider the use of experimental drugs in combating the virus, the U.S. government is forming a special Ebola working body that will explore its options. The calls have grown louder since 2 American missionary workers infected with the disease while in West Africa began recovering after taking an experimental serum called ZMapp. U.S. President Barack Obama has so far been hesitant to allow such untested medicines to be released for mass use.
I think we've got to let the science guide us. I don't think all the information's in on whether this drug is helpful.
The WHO says that more than 1,700 people have been infected in the current Ebola outbreak and that at least 932 people have been killed. Shin Se-min, Arirang News.